Batman was tasked with a certain job, which was to talk about exoplanets while I used the bathroom and made a phone call. Excuse me. I drink a lot of water. Excusez-moi. I drink a lot of wawa. Who did you call? Shall I give you their number too? So you can call them? As long as she's not cat juggling. She called the plumber. Really? Don't say that. I don't want any plumbing. I will have excellent plumbing. Excellent. Ew. Batman, take a seat and shut up. Yay, I love that you're happy. I am happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Plumber. Plumber. I am happy. Why are you so pretty for real though? Sit down and zip it. Pin drop silence. This is what the teachers in my school used to say. Sit down. Pin drop silence from Batman. Pin drop. Mark? Who's that? Who is that? Is that an actor? Pin drop silence. Oh. Doro, meet the newest troll. Manoj is here. Plumber is pronounced plumber. Plumber. No, I say plumber. Just like I say Connecticut, not Connecticut. I say Connecticut. Dora, please acquaint yourself with the newest troll in the chat. I was getting no playback on my TV. Now I'm getting playback on my big TV. What do you mean? Pin drop silence. Pin drop. Even a pin, when it drops, I should be able to hear it from Batman. Not Mark. You'll see. You'll see. Just give it a second. Just give it a second. Ooh, can we get 25 likes? In fact, can we get 30 likes? Oh, Marky Mark. Marky Mark is a good one. He's good. Marky Mark is not a troll. I meant somebody else. Oh, he was already timed out by Reese. Okay, so Reese timed this person out for 60 seconds. You should have seen some of the comments he's been leaving me. And also the stuff he said on some of my lives recently where you guys were not there. And I'm like, oh my God, where are my mods? I had to get my hands dirty myself. Mad Hatter, hello. Harper says, hi, Marky Mark, good job. When you came back, I could see you moving, but my TV had frozen, so I left and came back in. Oh, nice. You see me on the TV? Good. Oh, good. I have 25 likes. Can I get 30 likes? Can I get 30 likes? 30 likes? 30 likes? Marky Mark says, I'll fade him. Mad Hatter, where are you? Hello, what did I miss? Yes, I'll tell you. So we have been talking about comparative planetology and the origin of the solar system. I missed you. I have been gone for a few days. 30 likes and she will call the plumber from Connecticut.